Hey, my friend Daniel here. If you are looking to make more money and save more money in 2025, I need you to pay very close attention to this entire video. I'm going to help you make sales. Now, before I dive into this video and I talk to you about myEcon, our business, helping you make sales, the sales rotator, all of those things, I need to cover some very basic things right from the beginning of the video so we're all on the same page and you clearly understand what I'm talking about. First and foremost, results not typical, my friend. So do not be typical. Don't be like those people that just start and quit and start and quit and move on to the next thing. Also, sales are not guaranteed. I want you to hear that one out. Sales are not guaranteed. Just because I place you into my sales rotator does not mean that you are guaranteed a sale. Now, as I go through this video and I show you the documented proof, there's a really, really good chance that you're going to make some sales partnering with me and using our sales rotator. But you need to know and understand that I can't guarantee you anything in life other than the fact that you're going to die. That I can guarantee you. But other than that, everything's pretty much up in the open because it all depends on the work that you put in. It depends on a lot of things happening, but you need to know and understand, and I need to tell you sales are not guaranteed. Okay, now that that's out of the way, what I want to do is I want to walk you through this process because it's helping so many of my new members come in and get sales right out of the gate with their business when you partner with me. Now, if you're new to my channel, if you're new to myEcon, if you're new to, making money from home, making money online, you may want to click the link in the description down below this video and watch my full tutorial and then swing back to this video. If you've already seen some of that information, or if you're just ready to go, you're ready to get started, you're ready to start making money, then you can keep watching. But I'm going to show you, like in most of my videos, okay, I'm going to go over here to one of my other videos where I talk about myEcon and the business and everything. Down in the description below the video, you're going to see here my full overview, okay? It says to see my full overview. It's pretty self-explanatory. Link in the description down below. You'll see that overview right there. But what I want to talk to you about right now is getting into my sales rotator. Now, don't go doing this just yet. I'm going to kind of show you what's going to happen in this video and how this is all going to work, okay? Plain and simple. If you need help, you need support, you want to get your business up and off the ground and you want the best opportunity to do that, this video is for you. I made this video specifically for myEcon, for my business, for you potentially coming in and joining and partnering with me and my team and getting the over $10,000 in free value that we offer everybody that joins our team. So you have the best chance of finding success out there in the online world. Now, I'm going to swing back to this here in a moment, but before we get there, what I want to do is I want to show you some proof. So with myEcon, this is my email inbox right here. And as you can see at the time of this video, it's the beginning of December. I mean, I could literally scroll on for days. You could look at the dates over on the right-hand side, and you could see I'm literally making sales every single day, sometimes multiple times per day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sales, 8 sales per day, whatever it is. And the list just goes on for days and days and days and months. I make sales literally every single day. And what I'm going to do for you is as I go and I email my list, okay, I'm going to put your specific myEcon affiliate link into my own personal sales rotator. So as I'm emailing, this is one of my emails that I send out to my list. And I'm going to jump over here to one of my autoresponder accounts here. You can see on the top right there, I have over 300,000 people on my email list. This is just one of my autoresponder accounts. I actually have multiple. And when I email this list literally every single day, okay, this is why I make so many consistent sales, because I have a large email list. So when I email my list, I obviously have my own affiliate link in there. And what I'm also going to be doing in all of my emails, it will say right here, you can see this. This is one of my emails that just went out. This is how I help you make sales by getting into my sales rotator. It says, if you want me to market for you, use this link here to get in my sales rotator. And if you're on my email list, you'll see this and you'll know that I send this out in literally every single email. So how does it work? Well, when I email my list, when I email my thousands and thousands of contacts, I put a little description right in the email. It says, hey, if you want to have me help make sales for you, use this link. And some of the emails I'll go into a deeper description and I'll say, hey, this could be your link here. Let me mark it for you. And I'll even take you over to my ClickMagick account, and this is where the actual sales rotator is, okay? And you can see it right here. One of the rotators that I'm using right now is the promotion that myEcon has going on right now, and this little button right here will open up the rotator, and you can see, again, just kind of proof right here. This is just a 7-day time period. There's hundreds and hundreds, sometimes thousands of clicks per week going to this rotator link. This is how I'm helping you. This is how I'm helping others make sales. And the only way that this is going to happen is you need to click the link in the description down below this video to get into my sales rotator. Now, forewarning, if you are already on my myEcon team, this does not apply to you. Okay, so if you're already on my team, please don't reach out to me and be like, hey, Daniel, can I get on? No, this is for new members coming in. This is the benefit to you being a member who is not yet on my team. I'm trying to help you get up and off the ground as quick as possible. So I'm starting this here, with the holiday promotion and going into 2025. My goal is to help as many people as possible that have not joined myEcon yet get started with myEcon and have the best opportunity to see results as quick as possible. So, I'll open this up for you here, and obviously I'm going to probably blur out the names so you can't see it there, but you can see the people in the sales rotator here. These are their affiliate links that are right here. And again, as soon as you click the link in the description down below, that is going to be your link in that rotator. And again, you are going to be on my email list. Your link is going to be in my email list as I'm emailing my list literally every single day, sometimes usually multiple times per day. I always hit my list twice per day. So there's a really, really good chance that you're going to see sales from being in my sales rotator. And you're going to be in there for at least 30 days. This is how it's going to work. You're going to be in my sales rotator for a minimum of 30 days. And I'm going to say that you're probably going to get at least 100 clicks to your link. Now, again, like I mentioned in the beginning, are sales guaranteed? No, I am not going to guarantee you a sale, but I can tell you based on the number of clicks that are coming in and based on what I'm seeing. So when I come over here and you look at literally hundreds and hundreds of clicks per day, hundreds to thousands of clicks per week, there's a really good chance that someone is going to click on one of the links in my emails and they're going to land on your page, and there's a really good chance that you're going to get a sale. Again, will I guarantee that for you? No, but there's a really, really good chance. I've already helped literally dozens and dozens, if not hundreds of people make sales using these sales rotators. They work really, really well. So plain and simple, my friend, if you're looking to get started with myEcon, you're looking to be part of a very dynamic and very awesome team, what you need to do right now, so I'm going to give you the directions, so pay close attention. If you want to be in my sales rotator, if you want my help getting your link out there, what you have to do right now is open up the links in the description down below this video, okay? This is the instructions right here, and please pay very close attention to these instructions, because once you get started with myEcon, I'm not going to know unless you follow these directions right here, okay? I won't know, because when you join, the email from myEcon is going to go to the person that you join. It's not going to go to me. So I'm not going to know unless you text me. So here's exactly what you're going to do, and I'm going to walk you through it. Step number one, you're going to click the link below this video. So as an example, with all of my videos, you're going to see a description down below. You'll see this gray highlighted box at the time you watch this video. It might look a little different based on if YouTube changes the way that things look. I can't control that, but you're going to see some links in the description down below. Now, this might be condensed, and you might see a little button or a little, word that says more. You might need to expand that, and it's going to open up this box. You're obviously going to see probably my own personal link here that says get started here, and then you'll see another link that says join the rotator here. You need to make sure that you click that link that says join the rotator, okay? And then you're going to end up joining somebody other than me. You're going to join somebody else in the rotator. And this is how I'm helping people like you and other people that get started. This is how I'm helping them make sales. So you're going to go over here and you're going to end up clicking on my Click Magic link, which is the Rotator link. It's going to open up the Rotator and you're going to end up joining someone other than me. Now, once you get started, this is exactly what you're going to do. Okay. Number one, you open up the link, you join, you activate your myEcon membership, come in at any level. It doesn't really matter to me. Just join, get started, whether it's, whatever link that you see there, if it's the $9.95 promo. And again, at the time you watch this video, that might not be a thing. So it might be $20, might be $40, might be $100 to start based on the rotators and the people that I have in there and the link that we're using. Okay. Just get yourself started. Then what you're going to do after you activate your membership, okay, you're going to text the word Rotator to that number that you see right on your screen. And again, that number is going to be down below, okay? You're going to text the word Rotator and your myEcon username. So this way I can validate and verify that you actually did get started, okay? I'm going to be the one to verify that, and you need to let me know that you got started. That's the only way that I'm going to know that you got started is by you texting me, okay? Because again, the person that gets the sale, whether it's somebody in my Rotator, they might not notify me in any specific time. They might not know, to pass that information along. It's just the way that it works. This is how you need to let me know, okay? So you're going to text me that information. Then I'm going to verify that you actually did get started. I'm going to take your username. I'm going to go put it in and make sure that it's a valid username and that you actually did get started. And then I'm going to send you access to our team training site. This is the, over $10,000 in free value that you get with my team. The only way to get that over $10,000 in free value is to get started and be on my team. And like I mentioned, link in the description down below this video and all of my other videos. You're going to see my full overview. If you want to see what that $10,000 in free value actually is, all of your sales funnels, your training, your marketing, your viral content. We do the email marketing for you. We give you a sales app. We give you so much in value, free courses, all of those things. You can see that in the description down below. So if you want to see that before you get started, before you join the Rotator, before you get onto our team, you have the option to do that, okay? So those are your instructions. If you want my help, okay? And again, just remember, I literally make sales every single day. I have an email list of hundreds of thousands of people. I email that list multiple times per day. Again, results not typical, so don't be typical, okay? If you want to be like everybody else, you can start and quit and start and quit and just keep chasing those shiny objects out there, hoping to strike it rich. But to give you the best possible opportunity to actually make sales, to be part of a team that has documented and proven results year after year, to be part of something that actually does work, as long as you stay with it and don't quit, this could work out very, very well for you. Once again, results not guaranteed. I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to make sales, but there's a pretty darn good chance that you will based on the number of sales that we get on our team and based on the number of sales and the people that are on my list. It's just numbers, my friend. It's just really good percentages in your favor. So you have your instructions. If you're looking to start with myEcon, if you're looking to, get a leg up and really, to be honest with you, let's just kind of call this what it is. If you're looking to have an advantage over the average person that's trying to figure out how to make money online or how to make money from home, this is it, because we're going to give you everything you need, over $10,000 in free value. We're going to give you the system, the training, the app, all the content, everything you need to start promoting your business. And I'm going to be promoting your business for you. So it's pretty simple, my friend. Click the link in the description down below. Get yourself started. Please, please, please follow these directions right here. If you need to take a screenshot, do that right now. Take a screenshot of this so you don't mess this up. But this is the only way, if you text me, this is the only way that I'm going to know and verify that you got started, somebody else on the Rotator got a sale, and that obviously this is helping the team. We're helping people here. And this is what you really need to truly understand about the Rotator is we're doing everything we can to help as many people as possible. And that is what ultimately I really love about this business is we get to help literally hundreds, if not thousands of people make money from home and just get those results that you so badly want and deserve. This is one of the best ways to do that. So thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. Hit the link in the description down below. Get yourself started right now at the time of this video. I mean, it's less than $10 to get started. It's $9.95 to start your journey. And you're going to have so much help, so much support, so much value. Do you even really need to think about it? Go ahead, get started, my friend. Text me once you're in, and we'll see you on the inside in just a few minutes. Take care.